Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we have a new product here, which is the 100% Raw Batana Oil Paste, but by a new brand called Levanta. You previously watched a video of me doing this review on Spoiled brand Batana Oil Paste. And this is to help with hair growth. As you know, I've experienced lots of hair loss for genetics, and I have androgenic alopecia, so I'm always on the hunt to find new products, especially oils and serums that help with hair growth. So this actually helps deep condition and nourish the scalp, and is actually grown in Honduras. And you can take a look at the product. It's solid. I did get a question about if the Batana oil comes in a liquid or a solid form. This one comes in a solid form. I like the smell of it. I think it's great. I like to use it on my scalp quite often, 2 to 3 times a week. It does smell a little bit like cooking oil and can be bothersome. So you're just supposed to keep it on for a few hours, but I like to keep it on overnight. I like to shower the next morning. And there's just some 3 easy steps for using it every day. You just take a small amount in your hands and rub them together, massage into your scalp, and leave it for 20 to 60 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly, shampoo, and condition. So if you're looking to invest in a product for quick hair growth, to prevent hair loss, and to moisturize your scalp, this is the product for you. You can, if you have any questions on how I feel about this brand, I just started using it. I want to try a different brand from Spoiled. The other brand was pretty expensive. This one seems like it's a little bit cheaper, but it's more accessible and easier to get. And I didn't have to pay for shipping last time. The other brand I did have to pay for shipping, so I'm going to give this a shot and see how it goes. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new videos on the market or new products in the market, and just giving you life tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.